What's Wonder Shield? What you can learn from this content. 1. Target customers. Everyone has the wish to maintain the hair's beautiful salon finish for a long time, and Wonder Shield makes this wish come true. 2. Product features. Wonder Shield is a hair treatment which reacts to heat and creates a hydrophobic coating on the hair surface. By repelling water, it will protect the hair from various damages, such as airborne particulates, for a long period of time. Wonder Shield has 2 key features. 1. Protects the hair from external stressors. 2. Locks the treatment agents into the hair and maintains the effects of the in-salon treatment. First, it protects the hair from external stressors. Hair is surrounded by various external stressors of everyday life. External stressors strip the hair of its inherent power to protect itself, making it prone to damage. For example, water, which causes color fading, UV radiation, which causes loss of shine, humidity, which makes hair hard to manage, heat, which increases split ends and causes dryness, chlorine, which causes coarseness, and impurities such as pollen and dust. In order to maintain beautiful hair, it is important to protect it from these causes of stress. Wonder Shield not only protects the hair from these external stressors, but also from quick drying, static electricity, and cigarette odor. Second, it locks in and maintains the effects of the in-salon treatment. After receiving treatment, the treatment agents will gradually wash off as you lead your everyday life. Therefore, a technology was incorporated to lock in those treatment agents inside the hair. By doing so, the hair's overflowing shine and silky smooth texture, achieved immediately after the in-salon treatment, will be maintained for a long time. Wonder Shield comes in 2 types: a rinse-off treatment for salon use and a leave-in treatment for in-salon and at-home care. The long-lasting benefits can be realized with the proper use of both products. Now let's take a look at how to use each one. 3. The usage of Wonder Shield for salon use. Wonder Shield for salon use plays a significant role in SUBLIMIC hair treatment program, such as hair shielding program and hair reforming program. Here, let's take a look at how it is used in hair shielding program. Application. After shampooing, remove excess water from the hair surface with a towel. First, part the hair in the center from front to back, and then part from ear to ear. Section into 10 parts according to the illustration. Place the exclusive trigger on the bottle and apply Wonder Shield starting at the ends. The amount of application per section is 2 pushes for short hair, 3 pushes for medium hair, and 5 pushes for long hair. Apply starting at the ends. Then comb gently with the spatula and comb or treatment brush. Shield the customer's face with your hand to avoid spray from scattering on customer's face. Pushing in. Wrap both hands around the strands and hold gently with thumbs together. Apply light pressure as if you are gently pushing in the direction of the roots, and work your way down from midsection to the ends. Conduct this apply and push-in process for each section, in the order shown in the illustration. There are a total of 10 sections around the entire head. Then layer with mask. After rinsing, use Wonder Shield. 4. The usage of Wonder Shield for in-salon or home care. Wonder Shield is a special care that can be used by the customer at home once every 3 days. It can be used together with your usual leave-in treatment. In this case, you will use Wonder Shield before the leave-in treatment. Application. Use on wet hair after towel drying. Apply about 20 pushes and work into the entire hair, focusing on the ends. Blow drying. Then blow dry the entire hair with hot air. With this heat process, the shielding function will come into effect. Blow drying plus hair iron. When using it in SUBLIMIC hair treatment program, you will use a hair iron after blow drying. Set a flat iron or curling iron at over 180 degrees Celsius. And after you finish blow drying, take a section of hair at 3 centimeters width and let it pass through the iron twice. Conduct this process for the entire hair. By doing so, you will be able to create a coating on the strands with shielding effect. 5. Technology. When the hair is in a healthy state, the cuticle protects the hair from external stressors. However, when the hair is damaged, the cuticle is unable to protect the hair from external stressors. Care focusing solely on damage will concentrate mainly on repairing the damaged area. But actually, the other areas have also been affected by external stressors. Since the treatment agents are easily washed off with daily shampooing, the treatment will make the hair resistant to damage temporarily, but the effect will not last long. However, by applying Wonder Shield, small molecule shielding agents adhere evenly to the entire strand. Then, by applying heat, the shielding agents form a network to thoroughly coat the hair surface. In this way, the strand will be thoroughly covered with a polymer coating. This polymer coating will make the hair water repellent, preventing external stressors from attaching onto the surface or invading inside the hair. This coating also has a characteristic of being very long-lasting. By continuing to use Wonder Shield at home once every 3 days, in addition to using it at the salon, you will see after 2 weeks that the blue shielding agents still remain on the hair even after shampooing 14 times. Furthermore, the hydrophobicity is high right after applying Wonder Shield and still remains high even after shampooing 10 times. Summary. Wonder Shield protects hair from external stressors such as tap water during shampooing, UV rays, pollen, and more. Wonder Shield helps extend the effects of salon treatments. By using Wonder Shield every 3 days, you can maintain salon quality results for longer.